Hey guys, so I just want to show you this beautiful home. It's under construction and it's almost perfectly ready. It's in Lava Springs Subdivision and it's the last phase of the subdivision. The subdivision was started back before the market crashed in 2006-ish, and then it got finished up, and as I said, this is the last phase. There are some patio style homes in the subdivision, also regular single family homes, and this is more like the estate style home. And come on inside. So this home is built by B&B Construction. It's almost 2,500 square foot. And this is the first time we've seen it too, and I just love it. So as you come in, you see this wide entryway, which makes it really elegant. And then the second and third bedroom is in the front of the house, which a lot of people like it, especially if you have an at-home base business, because you can set up one of them as a home office. And if you do have some clients visiting your home office, they can use the hall bath, and they don't have to go through the entire house, your entire home. So in the bathroom, check this out. Isn't this beautiful? You have tall ceilings, high ceilings throughout the house. Top shower combo, all tiled. And that's my phone. Sorry about that. We talk to them later. And the music, I don't know if you noticed that, it was the silence of, what is this? What do they call it? Silence? Sound of silence. And that is for a reason, because apparently I am never silent. So this is the other bedroom, nice size bedroom. It's about, what would you say, 13 by 13? Yeah, 12 by 12. 12 by 12, more like, yeah. But again, the high ceiling, the tall ceiling makes the room bigger or feel bigger. Come on, come with me. So we have this cool door that goes to the laundry room garage area. So that's where the 4-car garage is. The laundry is right behind you, so don't trip, because there are still some building materials, flooring in there and paint and all that. But come back here. So check this out. Isn't this beautiful? Kitchen, white kitchen. You can't go bad with white kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, Bosch appliances. You have the farm style stainless steel sink. You have the microwave and the oven. And we turn the fireplace on for you guys, so you can feel all warm and cozy. And the view is pretty nice. And the property backs up to the canal with a little walking path area, kind of, sorta. By the way, this subdivision offers, they have a charter school, they have community pool, and they have walking paths. It's really pretty. This particular home has a huge covered patio and kind of faces north. Again, the tall ceilings. I really like the color choice. This is not going, it's not one of those that's gonna go out of fashion in a couple of years or so. It's really classy. And check out this huge master. Lots of windows, very light and bright. And the master bath with the stylish standalone bathtub. Double vanity, hard surface, and the darker oil, what do they call it? Oil brush? No, oil, it'll come to me. Oil, bronze, rubbed, whatever. And the walk-in shower. Come sit with me. Just don't turn the water on. Nice, huh? The potty. And then you have the walk-in closet. He's a nurse, I guess. Plenty of shelves, and there's room for all the shoes. And then, this is pretty neat. You can just go straight to your laundry, and it's even stopped for gas. And then let me show you the garage. Nice big garage with a huge RV bay. All finished. Looks good, huh? Plenty big.